Hello guys, today I will unbox the watch fit Huawei, which costs 100 euros. So this is a new model. So there are a lot of functions here as long battery life. Okay, this is not a function actually. So 12 animated fitness courses, 96 workout modes for the fitness and full health monitoring, built-in GPS and water resistance. Actually, yeah, that is very important that it is water resistant. But of course, I don't advise to have a shower with on it. So let's unbox the watch. So as you see, Huawei Watch Fit. So we are unboxing and let's see what we will see inside. So here you can take all the tapes like this. As you see, I'm taking out and we open it. Wow, so we see, yeah, my son is with me here.
Wow.
So what is included in the box? So the watch with the plastic band here. So we are taking out this. So you can see here the, wait, I will show you. So we open it like that. So you can see here the with these two small buttons. When you push it, you can take out the band. And here is a sensor. And here is a watch. So this is a tape, so you can take it out easily. But first of all, I would like to show you what is included in the box. So here is a charger, probably. Yeah, here is a charger cable like this. And here we are opening it. So here is a manual. As you see, here is a manual and one more manual. Yeah, this is a warranty card actually. So yeah, it's a warranty card. What is here? Nothing. So like this. So let's turn it on and but actually to put it on working, you need to install the Huawei fitting application, and then you can turn it on from here. We are turning it on. So as you see, Huawei. So we are using. I will use the English language. So pairing download Huawei or swipe up. So like this. Now I will install the Huawei Huawei Fit program from the Android, from the Google Play, and then I will go through with the watch. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.